Once you've ordered a new Brightspace shell, you have to actually locate the shell that you want to modify. You can use the tray up here to actually search the name of the shell that you gave it. When you order it, you can give it a name. You can also scroll down and try to find the shell. Here's the one that I just ordered, called test. If I click on this test, I actually want to modify the name. I don't want it to be called test. I'm going to click on course admin and go to course offering information. And I'm going to actually change the name of this shell. Once I save that, the name of the shell will actually change, and that will be visible when I look on my main D2L page.